Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will demonstrate you how to make signal timing in the traffic using Synchro. So first of all, we are opening the software Synchro. So in the Synchro software we just click on the new file and then we will just put nodes. Okay, let's make notes. This is a nodes that we are preparing for a four-leg intersection. Okay, so one thing we need to make sure is that the nodes are perfectly parallel and their lines are all clear. Then we click in the middle. Here we can see that a yellow bar has arrived, so we just click on the arrow. So here we will just click and fix the arrows left through right. Okay, so we can put the data by our choice. Suppose here we give 5,000, in the middle we give 4,500, and in the right we can give 3,400, and then we again click on the left, we fix the arrow. Here we again give our data by our choice, 1,200, 3,000, okay, 3,000, 2,500. okay, and then on the through we just click on the arrow and then give the data by our choice, 1,200, 2,400, 3,500 is the amount of traffic, so it doesn't matter actually, so we can place it by our own. We just fix the arrow, 1,200, in the through we gave 3,400, and in the right we gave 2,500. Now we just put the street name here, SB. Here you can see it's given SB, so we just write SB. SB means southbound. Here it is given NB. NB means northbound, and here it is given WB. It is means westbound, and EB here given EB. It means eastbound. Okay, so after making all those data in the traffic signal, then here we can see that the intersection has been arranged with the amount of traffic that we have input in the system. Now we just click at the end, double click, and we can see that there is a blue bar arrived, so we just click on, and there we will give the double arrow, and again we just click on the double click, and here we can see there is a blue bar again arrive, so we just click in the double click, and again on the left junction we just click on the double click, and on the through junction in the down we just click on double click. Okay, now after getting all those, here we will put some data. Suppose for a signal timing, we can see there is a option like phasing settings. You can see the phasing settings. So here in the phasing settings you can see that there is a chart came. So from the video I can see that as you can see from the video, is a phasing settings. They have a chart where they have analyzes some data. So here for the first phase they have put 5 they have for the second phase 10, for the third phase 0, and the fourth phase 5. So here we can see that from our drawing also we can see that we have 2, 4, 6 and 8. So we can put the data from here. We can see it is given for 2 is it is 10, for 2 it is 10. So we can input data for 2 it is 10. Okay, for now. And for 4 it is given 5. So we just put the value here. For 6 it is given 10. So we just put the value, and for 8 it is given 5. For 8 it is given 5. So here for 8 it is given 5. Okay, after making everything, putting the data, now we will just save the file in our PC. Suppose we name the file as 4 leg intersection by giving today's date, 31st 10 22. Okay, we just save the file. Now we remember that there is an option here in the second option which tell us that sim traffic animation. So we will click on the sim traffic animation to see the traffic. So here we can see the traffic flow. We can zoom a little bit so that we can see the traffic as per our traffic signal that we have put the data. So we can see that as per our signal we can see the value of the traffic moving here as per the signal. Some traffics are waiting here, and here the traffics are waiting here for 5 seconds. Some traffics are waiting here for 8 seconds. Some traffics are waiting here for 10 seconds. So it's the more overall traffic data we can get. Thank you so much.